Oh.
Urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio, Stark and Wayne. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for western Stark County, eastern Wayne County until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Orville, 8 miles east of Worcester, and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Dalton, Brewster, Massillon, Navarre, North Lawrence, and Canal Fulton.
Urgent weather.